If I wanted to describe this region in terms of y cross sections, then let's just draw this, without labeling it. But I've got a region that looks like this. And let's say here's my y-axis. Okay? Then there's going to be a difference in the way I describe the region. Okay? For y values below this line, okay? In other words, for y values between, let's say here, which is your lowest value of y, and here, the region runs from, so if you got a y in here, well, the region runs from one point of the parabola to another. Okay? The region for your function is this interval here, okay, length of this thing, it's bounded by just the parabola, okay? So I'm not finding the right words to say that any better. If your y is here, of course, then here's the segment inside the region, and it goes from this function to this function. So you have to set this up as two different intervals, okay? And well, that's all I'm going to say about it right now. But when the y value is bounded between 2 points of one function, it's different than if it's bounded between one function and another function, and the same can occur on one region. So in the first place, you would choose, because you would have the choice to integrate this the way we did, to describe the region in terms of x. Because to describe it in terms of y, we'd have to have two descriptions. One description for the values of y from here to here, and then another description for values of y that go from here up to here. Make sense?
Yeah.
You might not even run into that circumstance, but it's definitely worth mentioning.